Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really quick video for you. I just got my Boxycharm in, which was perfect because I didn't even know if I was going to upload today. We've been kind of working on our house a little bit this weekend, so I haven't been much on YouTube or my socials as much, replying to comments and things, but yeah, I am filming the process of kind of redoing our living room, so that will probably be up actually like next month once I have like all the furniture in. So hopefully that's something that you guys might want to see, just like a before and after transformation of redoing our living room finally. So we've been working on that, but I just got my Boxycharm, so I figured I would go ahead and film this for you, something really simple I could put up today. And I just have the base box today, so this is the $25 a month one. They do send this to me to kind of review and show you guys what is going to be featured this month. So let's go ahead and get into it. I was going to film like a Boxycharm unboxing and a try on, but I didn't really get a whole lot of makeup in here, surprisingly. So you guys will see what is inside. So here is the card this month. It says Boxycharm Flourish, so it has a beautiful floral design, and we'll get into the products. So the first thing I got in here is from the brand Skin Inc. This used to be a brand that was on Sephora. I don't know if they still sell them or not, but they used to make like custom serums. I used to think it was pretty cool, but now they have kind of their own cocktails. So this is the My Daily Dose of Uplift Smooth and Lift. It has collagen, coenzyme Q10, and hyaluronic acid. These have really good ingredients in them. I think they are really nice. They're very pricey as well, so I am probably going to try this one out. It says it retails for $65, but it's supposed to give a smoother, firmer, and younger looking skin. So this is what it looks like. I am actually excited to try that one out. The next product we got, another skincare item, is from Murad, and we got their Environmental Shield collection. This is the City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. I've never seen this one before, so I'm actually kind of curious about this one as well. I do enjoy Murad's products. I think they make great stuff. Now my lid is a little bit broken, but that is okay. I like that this one actually comes in a pump bottle, so you pump it up and the product comes on top, so very sanitary. It should last a while with that kind of packaging. It's very airtight. So this one is actually retailing for $74, pretty pricey from Murad. It's supposed to be good for protecting against the pollution and the blue light. I don't know how like bad those things really are for the skin. I know it's like the trend right now. I'm always so curious. I really haven't done a ton of research on it. I know it's very popular though in different moisturizers, sunscreens, and like the blue light glasses of course too. This formula, it says it contains supercharged antioxidants that neutralize pollutants and strengthen skin barrier while you sleep. Usually their orange line has vitamin C in it, although I'm not sure if this one really does, but overall it looks pretty good. Yeah, it does say in the description it has vitamin C, so I'm definitely gonna try this one out. I'm actually pretty excited about those skincare products. Usually when I get skincare boxes, I'm kind of like iffy about it, especially if it's new brands to me that I'm not super familiar with, but I'm really happy with those two. Now I did get this product too. This is another skincare item, so it seems like maybe a lot of skincare in the boxes this month. Of course, you guys might get totally different items than I did. I did order the premium too, but that one's not coming until later because that one I purchased myself. But we got this by Beekman 1802. It is a dewy-eyed illuminating eye serum to depuff and fight dark circles. So it comes in a little pouch. It must be maybe an expensive product. Let's see. Oh, I don't really love the packaging though. You'll have to excuse my nails today too. I'm just like so unprepared to film. This one does retail for $42. I'm totally not familiar with the brand, so you guys will have to let me know if you've tried anything from the Beekman line and what your thoughts are. It's actually cheaper than I thought it was going to be though, since I always expect with like when you get a velvet pouch, it reminds me of like Chanel or Dior. So the next thing I got is this. This is the Hydrating Hybrid 2-in-1 Lipstick Balm from the brand Sophia and MABELLE. I actually went ahead and put this on the lips today. I thought it went well with the look. It's basically a warm toned nude, and I do think it has really cute packaging. This is what it looks like, and then here is the lipstick slash balm. I have to say though, like putting this on, I didn't think it felt very hydrating in my opinion. I would expect this to be a lot more creamy. It feels a lot like the Wet n Wild mattes that I've tried. So I don't know. The formula is not really impressing me that much. It does retail for $15, but I would expect it to have a little bit more hydration. I do like the color good though, and I think the packaging is cute. This is what it looks like, but it's just not as creamy as you would expect from a lipstick balm. But the description says that it is packed with vitamin E to keep your lips silky smooth, and it's supposed to be a satin finish. But I don't know how I feel about it. I like the color. I'll probably keep it and keep trying it out, but I do think the color did go well with today's look. And then I did get one more makeup item. This is actually from CIATE London. Totally forgot I was going to put this on and I didn't, but this is the Shadow Flip Multi-Chromatic Shifting Liquid Shadow. I was kind of intrigued about this one. It looks honestly so gorgeous in the bottle. It's literally a holographic type of shade. So cool. Let me go ahead and swatch it. So it definitely looks cooler in the tube. On me, it has like this red and then it shifts to a green. If you guys could see it. Very chameleon-like, but it is so cool. A very unique kind of thing. I don't have anything like this in my collection. I have a lot of duochrome like pressed shadows, but nothing like liquid. But this looks like it's going to be a fun one to try out. I'm kind of excited about it. It retails for $20. Hopefully it lasts well on the eyes and doesn't crease, but this is really going to be a fun thing to kind of test out. So that's everything I got in my Boxycharm for May. I did feel like we got some pretty useful items. I wouldn't say it was the most exciting box ever, but I'm not really too disappointed in anything. Definitely excited about the Murad product and also the CIATE London liquid shadow, but that's just a little sneak peek of what I got in my May Boxycharm. I'm so curious to see what everyone else is getting for their boxes, but I think this month was just okay for me. It was very skincare heavy, but overall a really great value. So that is it for my unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.